If you've decided to sell your house through a short sale, what will a short sale actually end up costing you? What fees and costs will a lender pay for in a short sale? Chae duPont from the law firm of Chae duPont specializes in real estate law, and she has the answers for us. Chae, great to have you back.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So let's talk about the definition of a short sale first of all, because there are a lot of people, we hear that word a lot,
Yep.
and a lot of people still don't quite understand what that means.
No, it's a good place to start. A short sale by definition is where you are selling your property for less than the value of the mortgages on the property. So if you have a first mortgage of $100,000 and you have a second mortgage of $50,000 and the current market value is only $90,000, well, you're going to be selling it at a short sale. And there's a lot of misconceptions about short sales, so I'm glad this is the topic today.
So one thing you can be sure of is you're not going to be walking away with pocket or money in your pocket.
Unfortunately, no. Although the government could pay you up to $3,000 if you qualify for a certain government program that we've actually mentioned on the show before. It's called HAFA, the Home Affordable Foreclosure Alternative. If you qualify for that, you actually get normally $3,000 as a relocation incentive when you're doing a short sale. So you can make a little bit of money so that you can get that first, last, and security together, because after you short sale, you're going to be leaving the property.
That is really great to
hear.
It is. HAFA, H-A-F-A. Remember that. Now, will the homeowner sometimes have to pay a deficiency amount at all? Is there anything out of pocket?
The whole goal of doing a short sale is to get that deficiency amount waived. If you're underwater, to get the difference to get that waived. That's the goal of a short sale. Otherwise, wouldn't you just let the property go all the way through to a foreclosure sale, right?
Of course.
But you want to try and get that deficiency waived. That's what a short sale typically will do. And in a short sale, not only do you get the deficiency waived, but you are released of any personal liability on that deficiency amount. You walk away free and clear. And to go to your big question, you don't pay the real estate commissions, you don't pay the closing costs, the lender pays all of those things, or the buyer pays them. So even if you're past due on your homeowners association and you're selling the house as is, you don't do any repairs, you are going to just sell that property at the current market value. And your realtor determines really what the current market value is.
Does it matter if your lender was Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae?
Well, they have some individual programs. So Fannie has a couple of programs that help. That's the HAFA program. Freddie has a couple of programs that help that other lenders don't have. But then again, other lenders have programs that Fannie Freddie don't have. So it is important to know who your lender is and who owns the note. And then really go to a professional.
Go to an attorney who knows exactly how to get through this, because I'm sure there's paperwork involved.
There's a ton of paperwork involved. You're going to be signing another contract, and you want to make sure that language includes that you're getting a complete deficiency waiver. Because I've had people come in and go, wait a minute, I'm being sued by my lender, but I did a short sale 3 years ago. And I'm like, did you get the deficiency waived? And he goes, well, my real estate agent told me I did, and there was never any paperwork that they did, and the lender was right in filing the deficiency claim against them. So yes, spend the time. It's a free consultation. Come in and see me. I'm happy to discuss the different kinds of short sales, what the timelines are, the hit to your credit, the tax complications, or you know, what can and can be done in their situation.
And you won't be faced with any unfortunate surprises
That's
down
right.
the road.
That's right.
You can contact the law firm of Chae duPont and schedule that free consultation. Do it now to discuss the issues you're facing with your property.